Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. Today we'll be going through our April 2019 Glovebox while working on this very special card to me. Stay tuned to learn why this card is special and to see all the products included in this month. Okay, first let's start by going through the products in this month's box. Per usual, our insert card with a little note from Jason and myself to you. And on the back, our April menu, a list of all the products that are included in this box, a link to their websites, and also discount codes if you want to purchase other products or these products in full size, so you get a little bit of a percentage off of each of your purchases. First, a company that we're happy to have back in here, CARPRO. This is their Echo 2. This can be used as a waterless wash. This can be used as a rinseless wash, and we'll go through some tips and tricks about that and what the difference is. This can also be used as a quick detailer, a clay lubricant. So this little bottle, I know people always think like sample sizes, like I can't do my whole card, but you can. That's one of the big things I want you guys to take away from this, how far product actually goes, especially a concentrate. So I'll go through some of the things we can do with this bottle here. To go with that, I included a 4 ounce spray bottle. If you guys think I'm crazy about trying all these products, you should see how crazy I am behind the scenes about spray bottles. There are so many out there, and believe it or not, they're not cheap. So this one, which can come in full size as well, has a little locking mechanism here. Typically on some of these, there's like this little turn thing. I don't really like that. This lock, I do like. Try it out, let me know what you think. Super convenient. So this is empty, but this is in here to work with your Echo 2, so you can dilute different things. You can make your detail spray, you can make your clay lube, you can make your waterless wash to be able to try different things. And this wasn't an April Fool's joke. We have the Glovebox gear, and there's no words in the middle, because that will go on your spray bottle, and then you can write on there, this is my detail spray, this is my waterless wash, blah, 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 so you don't get things mixed up. Remember, detail matters. That's what we're here for. I curate these in a way I think, okay, if this is a box that I'm getting, put it all together for me and let me kind of use everything the way I want to, take your tips and tricks, and also, most importantly, take the manufacturer's suggestions, because they did spend a lot of time formulating this stuff and coming up with the right dilution. So take all that together, see what works best for you. Okay, next, back out of retirement. This is no longer available through the rag company. This is the EDGELESS. They replaced it with the 350. So if you don't want to use this, you want to hang it in a trophy like it's in retirement or whatever, do what you got to do. But we're bringing it to you, the EDGELESS, and if you go to their website, you will now have to purchase the EDGELESS 350, which is lighter. Next, from our friends at Wizards, Vinyl Shine. It's not only for vinyl though. So this can be used on a leather, vinyl of course, plastic, rubber, what else do they say? Vinyl, leather, rubber, plastic, and exterior trim. So another product, sample size. This will do your whole car and then some. Trust me, I've done it. You try it out, do what you think. How are you gonna put that on? Okay, I'm not gonna leave you hanging. From Buff and Shine, we have this applicator sponge. Like the other one I gave you, but a little bit smaller. The other one was red. That was for the wax I included in one of the past boxes. This is for the Vinyl Shine tire dressing plastics. We don't want to get all that on our hands or on our rag, so we'll spray it on here and put that on very nicely. So that's everything included in the April Glovebox. Let me move this stuff out of the way, and I'll go over some tips and tricks right here with we'll talk about waterless wash and rinseless wash. And also, really quick before I move this, why is this 2018 Honda Elantra GT? Don't forget the GT, because that makes it badass. So important, so special, like I said in the intro. This is my daily to get me back and forth. I've had this for maybe a little over 2 months. Bought it with 100 miles, I think, from the dealer. I think it was less than that actually. And I have 10,500 something in it now, so I drive a lot from collections and doing mobile work and all that stuff, and this thing has been great. I've had everything from trailers to vans to pickup trucks to small vans. I've tried it all. So now that I keep a lot of my stuff at the collections, I'm able to not have to have something that needs a lot of storage, so I can have something that is more convenient for my life and also gets better gas mileage. Super important. But this thing has been neglected. There's not many opportunities where I can get a brand new car that I drive every day and able to try products to see how they work on real life situations. For instance, we live here in the Midwest, Chicago. We have every possible season there is imaginable, and that can happen in 1 week out here. It's crazy. Rain, snow, sun. It's 70 today. It's supposed to be 40s and possibly snow overnight at the end of the week, which is crazy. So this car sees it all. My anxiety is off the roof because I haven't done everything I wanted to it. I haven't put a clear bra on there. Haven't had my friend from over at XPEL do any stuff to it. I'm getting rock chips ready. There's chips on the glass. I have, don't shoot me, but the purpose of doing this is that I try all these products on real life situations, not just on the collector cars I do. I have run this through the automatic car wash. I have done rinseless wash, waterless wash. I have done my crazy 3-hour just wash upkeep. I've done it all just to see how things work, and most importantly, you have been seeing a lot of the ceramic wax sprays or the ceramic sprays or spray sealants and all that stuff on the market. I want to see if, I know that stuff's easy to use and we're going to get that in the hands for you guys, but I also want to see if that stuff actually has longevity to it. When I first put it on there, it does have hydrophobic properties to it, but does that last? So I'm out here, I'm trying it, whether it be in a perfect environment like this or outside my house when it's freezing. And that also reminds me, the Echo 2 that you got in here has SiO2 properties, so super hydrophobic. This was designed really for coated cars, but you can use it for uncoated cars. My car's not coated yet, still needs paint correction, still needs to go through all that process, but you can use this coated or non-coated cars. So like I said, got off on tangent. Let me move this stuff, bring in the buckets. I'll show you kind of waterless wash, rinseless method that I use. Okay, let's talk about the difference between rinseless and waterless wash. Rinseless means I'm not breaking out the hose, rinsing the car down, foaming it, hand wash, rinsing it off. I'm filling up my bucket. I have 2 buckets here. You've heard of the 2-bucket method. I took the CARPRO Echo 2 and I put the full bottle in here, the 50 milliliters, close to 2 ounces, dumped it in here, 3 gallons of water. And then that's my wash bucket filled with water, bam, curl contest. Filled with my Echo 2 microfiber towel. You can use the EDGELESS that we provided for you. In my rinse, I have no water. I just have my clean new towels. Now you can use this and put water in here. Go ahead and wipe the panel down with your wet rag that has a solution in here, and rinse it in here, wipe it down on your grit guard, and then put it back in here. Me personally, I like to just go ahead and fold my towel in 4s, use it, and when I start seeing it get pretty dirty, I will drape it over the side of this and grab a new towel. Car like this, 6 to 8 towels depending on how dirty it is. To get back, rinseless. Again, we're not rinsing the car down, that's why it's called rinseless. Very good for if you live in apartment complexes, condos, places with water restrictions, if you want to do a quick cleanup. I'm not going to use my rinseless or my waterless when the car is filled with mud or something that needs power washer to really knock off a bunch of the debris first. For dusty cars, slightly dirty, I mean, it's really up to you. There's going to be situations where, like I said, apartments, condos, you're not going to have access to water and you just have to clean your car. You don't want to bring it anywhere, you want to do it yourself. Rinseless, perfect for that. Now the difference between Rinseless and Waterless, I'm not using my buckets. Waterless is like a detail spray, almost a different dilution. Waterless dilution is 1 to 15. For this 4-ounce bottle, go to CARPRO USA, Sky's the Limits website, and look at the exact dilutions for the waterless wash, rinseless, quick detailer, and clay lubricant. If I try to break it down to you, you will quickly realize I went to public school. So, but I'm telling you, 1 to 15 for the waterless wash, 3 gallons of water for the rinseless. You're using about the full 50 milliliters or 2 ounces. So waterless, I'm using like a detail spray. Great sound effects. Wipe down like we've done in the past. You've heard me talk about lifting with the towel, folding that edge. Go back to our past videos and you can see exactly what I mean. I won't bore you with it this time. But waterless, kind of like detail spray, but a little bit more solution, I guess you can say, because it's pulling that dirt into the product itself so you can lift it off. But what I like to do is spray the waterless. I can kind of combine these. Spray the waterless on here to let it pull some of that dirt, and then I'm gonna hit it with the rinseless. I'll show you. So go ahead, turn this thing on. Cool little sprayer with that lock. You guys will see. If you can't find this at like cheap stores or anything like that, like I've searched so far for different bottles, and hopefully one day we'll have that perfect set that I love that I can offer you guys in a complete set. But right now, let's just try them out. Let me know what you think. So I'm gonna spray on here, bam. Cover that area really well. You can use this on glass. You can do your rims, tires, but we would use different towels for that. The other bucket that we talked about. Taking my microfiber, it's already soaked in the product. Bring that out. Look it over. Boom, fold it in 4s. Same thing as I talked about before. I'm just lifting. Nice and light. Rolling that back, checking my towel. Now this car isn't super dirty. Up close, I mean, to me it's pretty dirty, but it's not bad. So bam. Lifting, if I need to fold it over. Smells good too. Perfect. Checking my towel. Go to a different clean section. Bam. I don't know why I say bam and boom all the time, but go ahead and do that. You have all those sides. Now you can turn it over. You essentially have 8 sides. Refold it. Go back at it. It's a little wet right now. Take another nice microfiber towel. Lightly wipe that up. And if you want to get crazy, you can go and use your spray wax. Get another bottle on our store where you can build your own box. Pick 5 or pick 3, whatever you choose. And you can purchase some extra ones of those, extra of the stickers. And you can go ahead and, after this, hit it with like a detail spray or something. Super simple to do. Not a lot of mess to clean up afterwards. It's really efficient and just another way for you to be able to choose how you'd like to clean your car. Traditional way with water, rinseless, that's just the water in the bucket, or waterless. So there you go, guys. A couple tips and tricks. Let us know, subscribe, what you want me to do. I already heard you. You didn't want me to do any of these crazy cars I've been working on, like the Senna, the Huracan that you see on our IG story. Follow us there. You wanted me to use a normal car. This is my daily, so I'm using that. I heard you guys. So subscribe to our page, or our YouTube channel, I should say. Comment below. Let me know what you think of these products. Let me know what you would like to see. More importantly, go to gloveboxdetail.com to sign up and form your own opinion about these products. I always say you can't form your own opinion unless you try it yourself. It's not valid if you're just going off a hearsay. So I'm giving you these products curated every month. Form your own opinion. If you like it, if you do, if you don't, let us know. If you change it up, you do different dilutions, or you find a new tip and trick, let us know. We'll be happy to share it. This is a team effort, and we look forward to hearing all your guys' suggestions, how much you like the products, so then we can get more products in your hands to better the detail industry together. So thanks, guys. We will catch you on the next one.